Activepieces has been making waves in the world of automation tools, but is it really the best open source option out there? Today we're diving into its features, usability, and whether it lives up to the hype. Activepieces is an open source automation tool designed to simplify workflows by connecting various apps and services. Right off the bat, the user interface feels intuitive, allowing both tech-savvy users and newcomers to set up automations with relative ease. With its ability to integrate different APIs and services, users can create custom automations without needing extensive coding knowledge. One standout feature is the flexibility it offers. You can create complex workflows that trigger actions across multiple platforms. However, while it does provide a solid foundation for automation, some users might find that the documentation lacks depth, making it a bit challenging to troubleshoot specific issues. The intended audience seems to be developers and teams looking for a cost-effective solution, but I wonder if casual users might find it overwhelming. Overall, the platform feels promising, but there are definitely areas that could use more clarity and support. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, Activepieces is free and open source, making it accessible to anyone looking to automate tasks without breaking the bank. The flexibility in creating workflows is impressive, which can be a game changer for teams with diverse needs. On the flip side, the learning curve might be a bit steep for those who aren't familiar with automation concepts. Additionally, while the community support is decent, it lacks the robust documentation that would help troubleshoot issues effectively. Some users might also find the interface a bit cluttered as they dive deeper into more complex automations. In terms of trust, being open source is a double-edged sword. It's great for transparency, but it also means users need to be cautious about security practices. In conclusion, Activepieces is definitely worth considering if you're looking for an open source automation tool that offers flexibility and cost effectiveness. However, if you're a casual user or someone who prefers a more guided experience, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it has potential, but it may require a bit of patience to get the most out of it.